Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to show or hide desktop icons in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To show or hide the desktop icons, right-click an empty space on your desktop, select View, and then select Show Desktop Icons. If the option has a check mark next to it, that means the desktop icons are showing. If not, they're hidden. Now to add icons to your desktop such as this PC, recycle bin, and more, right-click the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Then navigate to Personalization and click on Themes. Under Themes, scroll down to the Related Settings section, and click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now check, or uncheck the icons you would like to display or hide on your desktop. Then click on Apply and OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.